Good evening, IIT Kharagpur. My name is Sandeep Das. I am a second year student of GS Sanyal School of Telecommunication, enrolled in its Master of Science by Research program. I am contesting for the post of General Secretary Sports and Games, Technology Students Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur for the academic session 2014-2015. I am from Howrah. I am a boarder of Vikram Sarabhai Residential Complex.
What is your name again?
Sir, I have already mentioned. For your confirmation, I am again mentioning. My name is Sandeep Das.
Okay, Sandeep, why have you mentioned your department in your introduction?
Sir, I have mentioned my department name in my introduction because that plays a major role who I am now and why I am here. I am here in order to contest for General Secretary Sports and Games in Technology Student Gymkhana. So I should possess some credentials. My department plays a major role in order to give those credentials and prepare me for an academic career.
How is your department going to help in your position, this position?
Sir, according to the objective of the Gymkhana, the Technology Students Gymkhana aims to foster a well-balanced development of its member through excellence in extracurricular and co-curricular activities along with their academic attainments.
But
Look, Sandeep, since your department has given you a lot of opportunities and that's why you are here, then why won't you contest for your department representative? Why are you contesting for the General Secretary, Sports and Games, Technology Student Gymkhana?
Sir, I have represented several such positions from my department. I have represented my department also. In my letter, in my SOP, I will discuss all of these things. So please be patient.
Mr. Sandeep Das, why did you mention your hometown in your introduction?
Sir, I have mentioned my hometown in my introduction because it played a major role who I am and it plays a major role in describing myself. Whatever the credential I possess now, it is a part of the hometown of myself. In my hometown, I have contested for several such positions. I have the experience and I have the confidence I have gained from my hometown. So that's why I felt necessary to mention my hometown in my introduction.
Okay, Sandeep, you may begin with the SOP, please. SOP, please.
During my stay at Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, I have been actively involved in various fields of extracurricular activities like badminton, cricket, dramatics and social cultural events. All these have added to my experience and provided me the self-confidence to take responsibilities. I was selected from my department to represent Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur in India Telecom Meet 2012 and 2013 for consecutively 2 times. Sports has always been an integral part of my life. I have been representing Vikram Sarabhai Residential Complex in inter-hall badminton and inter-hall cricket since my first year. Currently, I am holding the post of Assistant General Secretary Sports in Vikram Sarabhai Residential Complex. During my tenure as Assistant General Secretary Sports, I contributed significantly towards the improvement of sports infrastructure in my Hall of Residence. I took initiative to start participation in illumination for the first time in the history of PSRC. During my tenure as Assistant General Secretary Sports, I initiated the construction of a badminton ground in Vikram Sarabhai Residential Complex. I have also managed to set up the infrastructure of table tennis in my hall of residence. As a result, for the first time in the history of Vikram Sarabhai Residential Complex, BSRC now participated in inter-hall table tennis competition and made its way up to quarter-final. During my undergraduation at Calcutta Institute of Engineering and Management, Kolkata, I, being the Secretary of Social and Cultural Committee, organized Celsius 2010, the Social Cultural Festival of Calcutta Institute of Engineering and Management. Moreover, I was also the captain of Institute cricket team and won inter-college cricket tournament held at Meghnad Saha Institute of Technology in the year 2009. During my undergraduation, I, being a core team member of Institute Robotics team, participated in technological festivals of various institutes and for the first time in institute history, secured the second position in the technological festival of Techno India in the year 2009. I played a vital role in conducting various workshops and awareness programs under my leadership, such as blood donation camp, healthcare, and campus greenery program. Apart from this, I have also organized many events in various fields of sports like badminton, cricket, football, and indoor games like camp, chess at the institute level, with grand success and own accolades for the same. Along with all these extracurricular activities, I have also managed to secure a decent CGPA of 8.67 in my undergraduation and 8.17 in my post-graduation. Attending the research program at Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur has provided me the opportunity to prepare for an academic career. During this time, I became more efficient, more comfortable with leading class discussions, sharing my own ideas and collaborating with others. My success as a teaching assistant has made me a mentor for the incoming graduate students and research scholars. My achievements clearly shows that I always tried for excellence. Along with all these achievements and experiences I have gained, if elected for General Secretary Sports and Games, I will fulfill my duties with utmost dedication and to the best of my abilities. Thank you.
Sandeep, I have a question. You were involved in your hall activities in the Department of Cricket and Football. Did you even turn up for inter-IT practices in these events?
Sir, I have mentioned in my SOP that I was involved in inter-hall events. In my first year,
I have a question. Did you even turn up for the inter-IT practices in the field of cricket and football?
Sir, I was just discussing that answer, so please have the decency to maintain my answer and continue it. I will discuss, even if you have question, I will discuss
I'm just
it.
asking, did you even turn up? Just asking, yes or no?
Sir, in my first year, I was not aware about the things that is going on in inter-IIT practice and those things. So in my second year, I was acting as a Assistant General Secretary Sports, so I didn't get to manage in my first year in inter-IIT practices.
So you are saying you are involved in these activities, so you didn't turn up for cricket inter-IT practices and football inter-IT practices. So when you will be involved in as a person in General Secretary Sports, so you will not be able to manage all the things properly. You are saying like that.
Sir, I would like to inform you that please don't misinterpret my answers. I have told that I did not get the information in practicing the inter-IIT sports meets. And there are most of the PGP postgraduate students, they don't have the sufficient information for the inter-IIT sports meets.
Mr. Sandeep.
So, I will have the
Sandeep, you mentioned about the. Could you please mention about your roles and responsibility of General Secretary Sports and Game in Technology Student Gymkhana? And could you please also explain how you fit all these roles?
Yes, sir. I am aware about the responsibilities of General Secretary Sports and Games in Technology Student Gymkhana. The General Secretary Sports and Games should coordinate among the activities of various subcommittees. They are jointly responsible for the day-to-day running of the Gymkhana activities. The General Secretaries should preside over all the subcommittee meetings. The General Secretaries should carry out such functions as assigned to them by the President or Vice President. In my SOP, I have already mentioned that I was involved in various managerial activities. So, I have the credentials of time management. I can organize various meetings. That is been proven in Celsius 2010. I was the secretary of Social and Cultural Committee. There, I was responsible for various subcommittee meetings and various organizing committee members I have also managed to set up the infrastructure of table tennis that shows my leadership qualities and managerial abilities.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Mr. Sandeep Das, you mentioned your SOP that you organized a blood donation camp. What did you do and what initiative did you take in this blood donation camp?
Sir, during my undergraduation in Celsius 2010, that was a socio-cultural festival of Calcutta Institute of Engineering and Management held in the year 2009. There, I was responsible on the third day for conducting a blood donation camp. There, I have successfully organized 200 members blood donation camp organization. I was also responsible for involving various activities on that camp. I have successfully organized those camps from morning 11:30 to evening 4:30.
Sandeep, as a sportsman, what are your strength and weakness?
Sir, in my SOP, I have mentioned that I have the abilities of having various activities in sports. I have contested for General Secretary Sports and Games for this regard. I have also participated in inter-hall badminton and inter-hall cricket. That shows my ability of involving in various sports.
Mr. Sandeep Das, you know that a large population of this campus consists of women. So, and there are many women who want to learn a new sport, but they are not able to because the sport doesn't have a coach or PTA, whatever be the reason. The plain reason is they don't have anyone to teach them and they're very shy. What are you going to do to increase the percentage of women who get into sports?
Ma'am, first I would like to take pardon because I didn't get to hear the first part of your question. So if you can repeat the first part of the question, it will be helpful.
There is only one part of the question. The what are you going to do to increase the population of women who play sports? Any sports for that matter. It's very less, significantly less compared to other IITs or any other college.
Yes, ma'am. I am aware about the fact that there are very less participation in inter-hall as well as inter-IIT sports meets among the women. So, I have thus some proposal in my mind. If I come to a post like General Secretary Sports and Games in Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, I will take those opportunities to have active participation among the women.
Okay, Sandeep, just tell me what is the current general championship points tally?
Sir, currently the Nehru Hall is been coming as first position. RP Hall is coming as the second.
What is
position.
that points?
Everything is been written in my diary. If you want the full points tally, I can show it to you from the diary.
Actually, you should remember this, but you can consult.
Candidate can refer to his diary, please.
Okay,
Excuse me,
refer to
Sandeep.
it.
Thank you, sir, giving me the opportunity to be.
You are welcome.
Excuse me, is it necessary?
Okay. In Inter-Hall GC results, Inter-Hall squares, LLR 10, Nehru 6.
What I am asking is what is the total number of points Nehru Hall have right now?
Nehru Hall has 62 points.
It is 63 actually.
It is 63.
Okay, what is the second position? Which hall is having the second position?
RP Hall is currently achieving the second position.
Number of points?
Excuse me, yes, sir.
Wait, you can just leave the mic, let him answer it. After that, you can say whatever you want to say. Right or leave the mic. Let him answer.
Nehru Hall has been in the first position with .62. RP Hall has been in the second position with .45. MS Hall has been now in the third position with .36.
Excuse me.
Sandeep, I think all the data you have mentioned is wrong.
Look, Sandeep. Yes.
Nehru Hall is with 63 points, RB Hall is with 40 points.
Just a minute. Guys, please, I need to tell them how to share a mic. Yeah, there are 3 mics given to all the panelists. This section,
Okay.
please share this mic.
Okay, what is the
This one
point
center
value
and
of
this one
VSRC
center,
hall?
please. Let's move on to the questions and ask the candidate.
What is the point value of what VSRC Hall of Residence VSRC complex? How many points VSRC is having right now?
I think we should not waste time in
Sir, currently,
Let him answer, please.
VSRC is having 0 points.
Look, Sandeep, since you are an assistant general secretary sports of your hall, right?
Yes, sir.
And you have constructed a volleyball court and set up a TT table for your hall, right?
Sir, firstly, I would like to inform that I have not constructed volleyball. I have constructed badminton ground.
Okay, thank you for your clarification. I just wanted to ask you a question. Why won't you take up a position like General Secretary of Sports of your hall? Since you are an Assistant General Secretary Sports of your hall, it would be better if you get elected as General Secretary Sports of your hall and work for your hall and get the points.
Sir, as the Assistant General Secretary Sports, I have contributed significantly towards the infrastructure improvement in my hall of residence. And I think that contesting for General Secretary Sports and Games in Technology Student Gymkhana, I can work for IIT Kharagpur and I can give my best in order to fulfill my duties at IIT Kharagpur. And the boarders of Vikram Sarabhai Residential Complex have supported me with their utmost dedication.
Sandeep, what your hall needs is not the infrastructure, it's the participation. So you should focus, after becoming General Secretary of your hall, you should focus on that.
Sir, firstly, I would like to inform you about the fact that current year VSRC has been participated in many inter-hall events, and I initiated and I motivated the boarders in order to take active participation in inter-hall events.
Okay, excuse
I
me.
would like to also add some points.
Excuse me.
Like,
I have a question.
I would also like to have some points in this regard that in this current year VSRC participated in table tennis competition. In this current year, VSRC participated in aquatics and also athletics event for the first time. So I have taken those initiatives to start participation in the inter-hall events.
Thank you,
Okay,
Sandeep. You
why
can take
we
your
are
seats,
fighting
please.
for a hall?
Thank you.
Why
The
we
time
are-
is up.
Yeah,
The
okay,
time
why
is up.
We should not fight for a hall, right? They are
I
contesting for the
request,
post of
I think
IT.
you've asked the question. The panelists have asked the questions. Candidate has answered it. The time is up. Thank you.
I want to ask his question at inter-IT level. There was no question.
I understand, but the time is up. It's up to the panelists. They have to ask the question. You have to share the
What's the point of discussion?
My first proposal is to reconstruct the sports section of Gymkhana website by adding interactive and informative features. My second proposal is to set up a permanent drinking water supply beside the basketball ground. It will be a small room with an aquaguard and a cooler placed inside the room. This room will also serve as a changing room for the players. My third proposal is to conduct an inter-department Premier League annually, which will be a unique tournament where the students attached with various departments will take part in the competition. Now I will carry on elaborating my first proposal. My first proposal, as I have said, is to reconstruct the sports section of Gymkhana website by adding interactive and informative features. The aim of the website is to increase the involvement of students in Gymkhana sport activities and inter-hall and inter-IIT sport meet. The website, being interactive and informative, will make the students aware about the ongoing activities of Gymkhana. This will eventually turn out to be a greater number of students' participation and thereby improving the overall performance of the students at inter-IIT sports meet. The need of the proposals are: current Gymkhana website is less informative. Adequate information in a well-structured format is required. Experience gained by inter-IIT players needs to be shared in order to motivate the freshers and other UG and PG students to participate more actively. Interactive forum is required to discuss the recent problems faced by the players, and suggestions from the experienced players is required to solve them. Video section is needed to familiarize the students with worldwide sports. The functioning are: the Gymkhana, to register in the newly created website, a sign-up provision will be provided. User profiling will be included for personal and professional information regarding their sports priorities, which will be further used as a hashtag for the user. There will be a provision of attaching the student's valid email ID with the Gymkhana website. If any new notice is uploaded, the admin will have the option to send the mail to all interested users. This will keep the students in touch with the Gymkhana activities. An Android-based app will be developed for the same purpose later. An interactive student forum will be provided in the Gymkhana website. Students can post queries regarding the respective fields of interest. All the vice presidents, general secretaries, and registered students in Gymkhana website will be authorized to take part in the discussions. A blog feature will be added to the Gymkhana website. The inter-IIT players can share their experience, problems, issues and technical skills related information in various sports. They can also provide suggestions in improvement of inter-IIT performance in that blog. This will be helpful for the new interested users. There will be a Sportsnik Play Your Game video section for various sports in the website. Videos of world-class players for their respective sports and tutorials by the world-class professionals to access the enhanced skill of the students will be contained of the section. There are several benefits for this proposal. The website will be an interactive platform for the students. 3 types of users will be there: administrator, inter-IIT players and guests. The roles will follow the role-based access control with the proper SMER constraints for the security purpose. 4-tier architecture will be followed for the additional security. Users can easily access the new notices and activities directly through their email ID or smartphone. This will be keeping students updated about the ongoing activities. Interactive forum will help to solve the basic complicated queries of a student through various suggestions of different users. A blog can be used to share the personal experiences of different players who have already participated in inter-IIT or other national level sports meets.
Can we ask you a question? You have mentioned that you will take feedback of experienced player, and in all of your first proposal, I think that experienced players are very important to you. Do you agree?
Yes, sir. I fully agree with you.
So, have you met most experienced player of inter-IIT this year?
Yes, sir. I have met most of the experienced players in inter-IIT.
So, can you name some who are the most experienced player in inter-IIT, and what were their suggestions to you?
Yes, sir. I have met Mr. Rahul Kaushal. I have also met athletics captain Rahul Kaushal. I have also met Mr. Partha from basketball. I have also met Mr. Rajan Bajaj from basketball team. I have also met Mr. Uddan Pandey, and also I have met some of the general secretary. Some of the secretaries.
As far as the names you are telling, they are all from the same team. And who are the most experienced player? Do you know anyone who have played 5-year inter-IIT? Do you think they are the most experienced player?
So whatever information I have with me, I have tried to meet all the experienced players.
You are contesting for sports and game general secretary, and you don't know
Mr.
the
Sandeep
most experienced player.
Mr. Sandeep Das, you mentioned in your proposal that it will be informative and interactive features. So what are these interactive and informative features? Please elaborate on it.
Sir, as I have already mentioned in the SOP, the Gymkhana website will be informative and interactive. Informative being giving the various users as a participation and information regarding the participation in the inter-IIT meets. There will be provision of all the sports activities, what are the sections of the sport activities, and there will be also interactive forum such as student blog and students forum for updating the information and posting queries in the respective sections.
Look,
And whom you have contacted?
your proposal.
Let me have a follow-up question. And whom you have contacted regarding this? What is the groundwork which you have done?
Sir, I have made various inter-IIT players. Also, I have made the General Secretary, Mr. Abhishek Malhotra. Also, I have made some of the physical training instructors of Gymkhana. To name a few, I have made Mr. Somen Mandal. He also appreciated the proposal and he has told the website features will definitely improve the overall student participation.
Okay, thank you, Sandeep.
Sir, please have the decency to let me complete my answer first. I have
Okay,
not
thank you.
completed my answer yet.
Listen, Sandeep, since you
Sir, I have not
propose to
completed my
reconsider-
answer yet, so if you... I have not completed my answer yet, so if you please allow me to complete my answer first.
Okay, you can complete.
Thank you, sir. I have made Mr. Somen Mandal, as I have said. I have also made Mr. Sudhir Kumar, PTI of Gymnasium and Olympic team. He has agreed to that the website will be indeed a bonus for the student. I have also made Computer and Informatics Center's technical head, Mr. Partho Goswami and Alokesh Chattopadhyay. He has told that server will be provided for the back-end programming. This server currently hosts the Gymkhana website.
Okay, Sandeep.
You should have made,
How will an inter-IT team will get benefits from your proposal?
Sir, my proposal is focusing to the inter-IIT players as well as the many of the freshers who don't have the information towards the inter-IIT sports meet, and they will come to
Look, can you improve the performance of IT Kharagpur in inter-IT with this proposal?
Sir, I was discussing the previous question of you, so if you allow me to discuss the previous question.
Okay, first, Sandeep, answer the relevant questions first.
Sir, I am answering the relevant question, so if you please allow me to answer the previous question, then you can...
Okay, answer the previous question.
As it will motivate the UG freshers and the PG freshers from the students blog that inter-IIT players will be provided, and they will eventually come to know about the inter-IIT sports meet and inter-IIT practices, as because they will have the interactive forums in between inter-IIT sports players as well as the PG students. So they will eventually
Sandeep,
turn out to practice, and
Sandeep, we understand.
from the practice they will...
Okay, Sandeep, that's a nice proposal.
Do you know who was the inter-IT contingent captain this year? No, sir. Inter-IT contingent captain, do you know what post
This
is
is
it?
not related with proposal, right?
It is related with the proposal because he is the most experienced player and he had talked a lot about experienced player.
It's not necessary that he should know each and every
But
experience.
it is very
Just a minute.
very much necessary that he...
Let the candidate, if he wants to answer, he can say no.
Do you think it's an important post because he is leading inter-IT team, whole contingent? Do you think you should have met him? It's an important post to you or not as General Secretary Sports and Game?
Sir, I have already informed you that I have made all the
Please
most of the
answer my
experience
question.
passes.
Please
So,
answer my
whatever
question.
information-
Do you know who was inter-IT contingent captain?
According to my information, I have met all the players. So if I have the information, I would have met them.
Sandeep,
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Please, thank you. Sit down.